chance of long-term survival is not to remain inward-looking on planet Earth.
This is a freshman 15. Baby girl, you broke my heart. You ripped that shit in two. You tore it all apart, and I don't know what to do. You were the one I could vibe with. With you, I ain't never worried about a side chick. I felt like I found my chick, my sidekick, the one I could really ride with. But I guess I was oh so wrong, even though you felt oh so right. Now I'm making all these damn love songs to know what being hurt feels like. I must have butterfingers, cause I let you slip away. But now I see through these games you play like you were standing under my x-ray. I was dumb in the beginning, but now I'm done giving you the time of day. You were 10, but a brain you lack. Now you want me back? Fuck that, no way. I'm always gonna want you back, I know, but my pride's too high to ever let that show you. Say we should've waited, maybe let things grow, but I really think it's time I need to let you go.
Love is like a stubborn youth that you'd rather just deny. I'm walking on a broken roof while I'm looking at the sky.
Baby girl, it's safe to say that I never really haven't felt this way. You got a hold on my heart, and it'd really be smart if you let that slip away. I tried to make this work, but you let me in the dirt, now I feel with hurt. Thought you'd be the best, but you were really the worst. Thought you were a kid, but you were really a curse.